Hi, my name is Sean Sweeney, and this is a Jing tutorial about the Reflector app. And so you can find that at reflectorapp.com. Now, Reflector app is something that you install on your computer, but what it allows you to do is, as you can see here, you actually can stream or connect your computer with your iDevice so that you can view your iDevice on your screen. Now, the Reflector app has an icon that looks just like this, which I can find down here in my dock, and I actually already have running. So here you can see my iPad. It comes in very small, but I can simply switch to something that says stretch to fit, and so then it's going to make it bigger, and I really prefer the enter full screen. Now I use this in conjunction with either Screencast-O-Matic or Jing in order to make tutorials for my teachers about how to use different apps on the iPad. So for instance, this is Photo Story, so I can go in and I can use all of the different features that allow me to learn more about this particular app and show them how to actually use it, set up accounts, and things like that. So I find this to be a really handy app. It is $12.99 for an individual license. So if we go ahead and switch back over to the website itself on the purchasing piece, and then you can also buy multi-seat licenses for $54, so it's a little bit cheaper that way. But I wanted to show something else about this. So there are a few little hiccups. One, Poplet, for instance, and I don't find this happens with many apps, but what you'll see is that if you're familiar with a Poplet app, it doesn't exactly want to work 100% while using the Reflection app. So you'll notice at the top here that it's actually cutting off the name of it, and whenever we go into the editing area, you can't see the toolbar or anything like that. So Poplet's the only one that I found that's kind of works this way, and I've sent a request to Poplet to see if it's something that they can fix. Something else that I've found is with Voice Recorder, whenever I've done an edit here, I do the record, and whenever I click start, you can see that it just kind of shuts that off. Now it's actually working, and whenever I hit stop, it actually will pop back up and will allow me to once again stream that. But for some reason that one's a little bit quirky, and so I have to go in and actually close that app in order to make things work again. So as soon as I've closed that app, it pops back up for me. Now, here's where it gets really fun. So as a teacher, I might have multiple groups of students in my classroom, so working, and I want to be able to display. So this is how we use it in the classroom. So not just making for video tutorials, but I'm wirelessly connecting my iPad so I can be anywhere in my classroom and showing my students what I'm actually doing on the iPad. And I think that really helps our teachers with being able to get the kids where they need to be on the iPads rather than just giving those verbal instructions. I have a few more video tutorials that I'm going to do on how the Reflector app can help you in your classroom. So stay tuned for more videos.